What is going on, guys? Today I want to talk about regular expression. What is a regular expression? Let's look at the Google for the definition of regular expression. Define regular expression. A sequence of symbols and characters expressing a string or a pattern to be searched for within a longer piece of text is called regular expression. For example, say you want to search the occurrence of hello in a text, then hello is our regular expression. Or say you have a list of emails and you want to list all the emails that have numbers in it, then we can use regular expression to perform the task. Now back to the Python. Python provides a handy module called RE, which presumably stands for regular expression. In this video, I am going to talk about find all, which takes pattern and string as arguments. So pattern is going to be our regular expression. R for raw text followed by quotation mark and our regular expression, in this case hello, because we want to find all the occurrence of hello in our text. So let's provide the text string that is input from our user. re.findAll is going to return a list and we need to store a list in some variable. In this case I am going to use match, but you can use any other variable. And if we run this, we need to provide this input, hello world. It looks like nothing happened, but if we see what's inside a match, then it lists a hello. That means in our text hello occur once. If there was to hello in our text, then there would be no hello in match. As well as this program is going to work for multiple occurrence of hello. So this is it for this video, guys. As always, do not forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel.